Namaskar and a warm welcome to you in this presentation. My name is Shushmit Mukherjee, you can also call me Aditya. I am a SEBI registered research analyst and the owner of investi33.com. Now, who is a research analyst? Research analysts are professionals who conduct research and analyze businesses and make recommendations towards buying, selling, or holding shares, that is, stock exchange listed securities. They may work independently, like me, or with various asset management or portfolio management companies. Wherever they are, they act as major decision influencers. Currently, there are only a few hundred SEBI registered research analysts across India who are authorized to make such recommendations. This makes this profession a very niche one. I am fortunate to be one of them. I invite you to visit our website www.investi33.com to explore the offerings that are designed to help you create wealth and abundance. In this presentation, I will share with you the overview of all of our programs and the benefits that they bring to you. But first, let me share with you a very short history about investing in stock markets. Over the last 30 years, from 1990 to 2020, Sensex has grown investors' wealth by 5,000% or 50 times. On the other hand, fixed deposits have grown just 10 to 15 times and gold merely 17 times in the same period of 30 years. Therefore, stock markets are the clear winners among various asset classes for an extended period of financial history. But how many investors actually made fortunes? Why do so many investors fail in the stock markets? The reasons are very simple. Lack of proper business analysis, lack of investing strategy, and emotionally reactive investing decisions. Approaching stock markets with a short-term gambling attitude, making random flashy trades without fundamental analysis of the business, taking on debt, and succumbing to the emotions of euphoria and panic. These factors have resulted in too many people losing their hard-earned savings in the stock market. Then, the question is, how do we succeed? By simply following the golden tenets of stalwart investors: sound analysis of the business which underlies the stock, sensible investing strategy, and maintaining emotional discipline and balance. Following these time-tested nuggets of wisdom, you can absolutely ensure a lifetime of wealth creation and abundance through investing. Either you yourself do it or follow the process suggested by professionals. Now the question naturally comes, why should you choose investi33.com? Well, because of three reasons: our values, our professionalism, and our programs. Our values of integrity in life and thus in business, insight and clarity-driven actions, and an inspiration and commitment to positively impact all those who come in touch with us form the very basis of every action that we take. I am a committed and passionate professional who has the ability to deliver programs with utmost effectiveness for you. And I'm also humbled to be one of the few individuals across India who has been bestowed the authority from SEBI to conduct these programs. We have three simple programs: the Stock Recommendation Program, the Aspiring Investor Training Program, and the Professional Investor Training Program. You can hardly find any parallels to these program offerings, which are a combination of premium quality and unmatched prices. Here I share with you a brief overview of our programs. First comes the Stock Recommendation Program. Now, who should explore this program? If you are someone who wants a stress-free and joyful experience in stock investing with minimum time and involvement, this is the program for you. What this program offers? The Stock Recommendation Program acts as your one-stop go-to place round the year for 1 year, 3 years, or preferably for many years when it comes to your stock investment decisions. This program empowers you with 20 to 30 stock recommendations annually or as required. It gives you a defined investing strategy and it guides you in a sustained manner. The goal of this program is to give you sustainable wealth creation over a long period of time at an above average rate of return. This program can be explored by all those who invest in stocks, mutual funds, SIPs, equities, etc. Then comes the second program, that is the Aspiring Investor Training Program. Who should explore this program? If you are someone who wants to learn from scratch the arts and sciences of investing without any prior knowledge or experience in investing, this program is specifically designed for you. What this program offers? This is a 11-week-long program with weekly classes that empower you with hands-on knowledge of reading financial statements, gives live sessions of thorough business analysis, and teaches the mental emotional framework for successful lifelong wealth creation. The goal of this program is to make you absolutely self-sufficient in analyzing businesses and taking investment decisions completely on your own, strategizing investments, and also helping you gain appropriate mental emotional balance to sail through the ups and downs of the market. The third and final program is the Professional Investor Training Program. Who is this program for? Well, only if you intend to have professional level understanding of how investing analysis and strategy is done, then this program is made for you. It is going to be a 33-week-long journey, again of weekly classes. This program empowers you with live sessions of qualitative and financial analysis of various businesses and finding intrinsic values of those businesses. It gives you the methods of strategizing and designing investment portfolios. And last but not the least, it helps you in developing the mindset of a successful professional investor, which is not hard to achieve at all. The goal of this program is not only to make you a self-sufficient investor, but also to take you to a level where you can strive to help others in creating wealth and taking investment decisions. Lastly, I wish to share my social responsibility statement. While we are striving to share a process of creating well-being, wealth and abundance for those who come in touch with us, there are some in the world who are committing their lives to heal the festering wounds on the face of Mother Earth. Soil degradation, loss of biodiversity, population explosion, global warming, these ailments are slowly weakening the very foundation of the only home that we have, our Mother Earth. We may not be able to be directly involved in these multivarious acute scenarios, but there are organizations of high integrity which have dedicated their energies towards attending these potent scars on our planet. And here I wish to declare that I will always be contributing to these causes in whichever way that is feasible for me. A portion of my own resources will be dedicated for these causes always. Let me also share that with each subscription of yours in my service offerings, anywhere between 3 to 33 trees will be planted by you actually. Please visit our website www.investi33.com and choose the program which suits you the most. I want you to join me in this wonderful journey of wealth creation for us and for our future generations. With proper guidance, wealth creation becomes a simple process. In return, you have to commit to the process and guidance through the ups and downs of the market over 1 or 3 years, or preferably for multiple years for maximum wealth creation impact. I wish you a lifetime of well-being, wealth creation, and abundance. Thank you.